Hello everyone, welcome back to Simply Makeup. My name is V. In today's video, I'm going to do a head tie, head scarf, head wrap tying. This is the last one for now that I'll be recording. I'll record again maybe later down when I get some new head scarf, but right now this one will be the last one for now. If you'd want to see another one, you can always leave me in the comments and then I'll do it and I'll tie it in a video. Also, I published my first Amazon ebook. I'll put the link of that book in the description below. Please go check it out. If you want to know a little bit more about me, you can read that book and see where I was born, where I grew up between the age of 0 to 13, because the next book will be 13 to other things. So there'll be more books coming, but this is the first one about my life, being transparent. I hope you enjoy, and if you buy the book and you read it, please leave a review on Amazon and also let me know in my comments. I truly appreciate it. Now, I won't be talking much, so I'm just gonna tie. I bought this piece of material. A scarf don't have to be expensive. I go to Joann, Walmart, Michael's, and anywhere that sell material, and I look for material and I'll cut a piece. But sometimes they have small pieces, which sometimes I'll buy to make like little pillows for my house, but I haven't sewn in a while, so I saw this piece and I was like, yeah, this is pretty nice because it says on there faith, love, hope. So it's a pretty cool piece. I was like drawn to it because my channel, and it also has little crosses on it. I don't know if you can see it. My channel is all about uplifting the next person, man or woman, to uplift, because there's so much pain and suffering already in this world. We all need a little dose of laughter, happiness, uplifting. So I try to bring that on my channel. So yes, we all have down days and we're all sad, but at the same time, we can uplift somebody else when we're able to. So this is the first one. It's not a big one, but I like it because it reminded me of back in the day when we were growing up and our parents used to tie their hair. You know, it was never big. It was never big one, a big wrap, but they tie their hair. And I used to love to tie my hair too because my mom used to tie her hair. And that's how, you know, I just love doing that because I find when you put a head wrap on, it changes your features. You don't have to have makeup. It changes, you know, what you look like. And that's why they call it transformation, because transformation comes in all ways, little doses, big doses, you know, you don't have to go drastic to do that. But this is one way I tie this one, which I really like. It's so cute. But check the back out and tell me if that don't remind you of back in the day or somebody who have tied their hair like that. Let me know in the comments, okay? Take a look. When I saw that, I was like, oh, I know it's not big enough, but I can tie my hair. It will remind me of when I used to see people tie their hair back when I was a little kid. The back was always hanging, or sometimes they'll take the back and they'll put it underneath, or sometimes they leave it just like this. So you don't have to buy expensive scarves, but I like this. So I can do this with that. I can also fold it. I'm trying to show you how I fold it. Right, so I can fold it like that, and I can wear it this way. I'm trying to tie it, but don't pull my hair at the same time while I'm tying it. That's why it's taking me a little while. So, like this. You can tie it and wear it. So you can tie it and wear it just like this. So you don't need a lot when it comes to headscarf. If you don't want to tie it all the way to your forehead, you can bring it further back. Some people do that like this. Some people do this. Yeah, they don't want it all the way on their forehead. Or some people, I can do this. This one little scarf, you can tie it so many ways. You know what I mean? You don't have to go buy a different one. You can take one and use it and make sure and you just fix it. So you can wear this like this too. Right? And if you don't want to wear it on your forehead, I mean, you can fix your hair when you're done. If you don't want to fix it, wear it on your forehead, you can wear it this way also. See, before I had it like this, all over my forehead. Now I'm doing it this way, a little away from my forehead. Because some people might not want to have it all the way on their forehead. So you bring it a little higher and you can have it like this. Let me do it properly. No shortcuts here. So now it's not all the way on my forehead, you notice? And I can tie it and wear it like this, and you know, you fix it. You make adjustments to how you want it. And you can wear it like this instead of all the way down like this. So that's that for this cute little one. I love this little one. This is the first time I'm wearing it, but when I see the material, I know I liked it. Now the next one I have is this. So I just fold. It's a long piece. I didn't cut it. I bought it as that, and I'll just make adjustments with it. So I fold it in two. And you can wear this one so many different ways also, you know what I mean? You can actually do a lot with a longer one. The longer one, I would tie it. When it's long, it takes longer to loop, but you take your time. I tie it in the back and I can throw it like this. I'll show you the back. This is the back. Just like this. Or you can make a bow like this. And you're good. Or sometimes I leave it like this and I go like this. I just throw it up front like this and I'm good. So this one you can do a lot of stuff. Also you can go this way. And you tuck everything in so it can look, you know, nice. You can wear this one like this also. If you don't want to tie it in the front, you just have to fix the direction you want it. Right? Like this. You can do this like this. I have went out like this with big earrings. Or you can bring it to the side and tie it. And I just wrap it around. And see which direction is the best for you. And you can have it on the side. And then you fix and you make adjustments. Right? So you can have it on the side. You can choose either side you want to have it. and you rock your scarf. And then there is another way I can do this. Same scarf. Do this, bring it down like this, bring your head down, bring this up like this. Again, you just buy a piece of material, and sometimes they already have pre-cut material. You just make sure it's the right length and you get it, right? And I just turn this around and around and around and around, and then I take it and I go this way. So I can create something different. And you can do it on the side, you can do it straight back, and you tuck it in the back. This one is very easy, right? And you fix it the way you want. Like I say, you make adjustment, you tuck it. Like this, it looks like a turban, like you have a turban on. I have a pretty accent, so some things don't always sound the way it is. And I pull it right out by pulling my earrings off. Okay, so this is this. It's a good thing it come out, so now I can show you how I do the back. So this is the front, and then I'll turn around, and this is this. I take it and I tuck it in. Once you tuck it in, it should be secure. If you don't think it's gonna be secure, take a hairpin and clip it. But this is what it should look like in the back. Right? So that's that. And if I want, I can go this way and create a style, or I can go that way and create a style. And then I just take it and go this way, and then I take this and I tuck it again right under here, right here. And then I fix any loose pieces that I want to fix. Again, I like messy hair. I like messy stuff because nothing is perfect. So I like messy. When my hair is messy, I'm bad. So this, you can do this, right? And this is where I tucked it in the back here. So that's that. You can do a lot of stuff with a scarf. Just get a nice long one, right? And then I can do this. Right? You see, I brought it like this, and I can tie it in the back. You tuck it, and the back looks like this, and the sides look like this. Again, you can fix it any way you want. So the sides will look like this. I can trim all of this out. So this is the front. You can clip this like this. This is the front. Right, the piece here and the piece here, and then the back. So there are lots of ways to use one scarf. You can have one scarf and use it many, many different ways, right? This one I do in a video prior to this, so you'll see this one in another video. But I did this. And the back looks like this. And this is it for the headscarf tying. I hope I got it and you understand it and slow enough so you can get to tie yours. Hopefully you'll find a style in here that you like and rock it and enjoy it. But this is all I have to say today for now, because I gotta go cook. Glasses, I need glasses. Okay, so the quote for today is coming from the section that says, cherish your friends. And today's quote is by Frances Farmer. It's Today's quote is by Frances Farmer. It's I have learned that a good friend is the purest of all God's gift, for it is a love that has no exchange or payment. Listen to this. This is good when you find a good friend, not the ones who manipulate you or make sure you do things their way, and if you don't do it they get mad. Not those kinds of friends. Those are not the friends I am reading about. It says by Frances Farmer, I have learned that a good friend is the purest of all God's gift, for it is a love that has no exchange or payment. That is true. I have friends I have known since I was a kid. I have friends I have met along the way. When I tell them your friend, I'm your friend. My kids always say, Ma, every time you go out, you come back with a new friend. I say, you gotta talk to people. You gotta talk to everybody. Talk to people, because sometimes people are afraid to talk. But if you say, hi, morning, how are you? Good afternoon, have a good day. It doesn't hurt at all to do that. So if you have a good friend, cherish them. Make sure it's not a one-way street that you cherish them and they never cherish you, because it should be they appreciate something new, that's why they're still your friend or they are your friend. Again, always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self, and I, Simply Your Makeup, will see you in another video. Go check out my ebook on Amazon. The link will be in the description. I love you all, and I'm saying bye. Go live life to the fullest.